By 8 o'clock tonight, we're forecasting 80, and at 70 degrees at 10 p.m. tonight under a clear sky. Big bright full moon tonight, too. 86 in Burnett, 86 in Llano. So even though the fronts moved in, it hasn't made a big impact in the temperature out there in the hill country. 91 up there in Cedar Park right now, too. 86 in South Austin. Bastrop 86, a little cooler over there around Giddings at 81. Austin again, officially at Camp Mabry, 91 degrees. Out at the airport, it is 87. The front's kind of lying right across Austin right now. Notice the dew point difference. At Mabry, the dew point's 52. Out at the airport, the dew point is a full 12, 11 degrees warmer. Higher at 63 degrees, the dew point temperature. That's a measure of moisture in the atmosphere. So the front, again, just laying right across Austin right now. It's going to become stationary and then wash out tomorrow, so it's still going to be warm. It's not going to bring us a lot of cooling, but we won't be as hot as we were today. No wind at Mabry. East-northeast wind is 6 miles per hour at the airport. Mold count today high on the mold. Oak, medium, pecan, and hackberry were low. The other tree pollens low, and some grass pollen, 19 there, low too. Temperatures around the state, well, it's hot from here to the valley. Look at all those 90s. From Austin all the way down to Brownsville and Laredo to the North Dallas. Enjoying the day today at 75 degrees. Skies mostly clear across Texas at this hour as that storm system that brought the tornadoes the other day is moving slowly off to the east. High pressure's building in behind it. That's just going to keep us nice and warm right on through Easter weekend. Now, we do have a front coming in Saturday afternoon to northwest Texas. That may bring some thunderstorms there, but we're not thinking any of those showers of thunderstorms will make it down here into our area. So it looks like dry weather and warm weather all the way through Easter Sunday. Tonight, the low temperatures 50s to near 60 degrees, so pleasant in the morning. But then tomorrow afternoon, we're right back up into the low to mid 80s, a little warmer than average, but at least we're not 90. Tonight, 60, skies clear. Again, a full moon tonight, just beautiful. Northeasterly winds. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and 84. East-southeast wind at 5 to 10. And here we go. Good Friday looks good. Saturday looks good. Easter Sunday. By Sunday morning, which, by the way, sunrise Easter Sunday morning, 7:12, we may have the low overcast and some light fog back in here. That could happen by Saturday morning, but Easter Sunday afternoon will be great for your picnics and your Easter egg rolls and all the other festivities that will be going on for Easter. I don't know where the 7-day forecast went, but we can pop it back up one more time there for you. And you will see that our next chance of rain as the last 4 days come in will be toward the end of next week. Robert?